Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be looking at present tense and past tense of some common verbs in the Igbo language, and we'll be using it to make one sentence each. So if this is what you will love to listen to, please ensure you watch this video right to the very end, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Kanyi bido. Sweep. The present tense is za. Past tense zara. So now let's take example with za. Ga za ụlọ ha. Go and sweep their house. Ga za ụlọ ha. Ọ zara ebe ahụ n'ụtụtụ. She swept there in the morning. Number 2, answer. Answer is za. The past tense is zara. Now, you can observe that it's the same thing with the first one, which I say is sweep. So in Igbo language, sweep and answer are the same thing. And the pronunciation is the same. The only way you're going to be able to distinguish if the person is referring to sweep or answer is the context. The usage in sentence will let you know. So let's take example for za. Za ajụjụ. Answer my question. Ajụjụ is question. Za ajụjụ m. Answer my question. Za ajụjụ m. Answer my question. Ọ zara ajụjụ gị. He or she answered your question. Ọ zara, he or she has answered your question. Ọ zara ajụjụ gị. Number 3, pray. Pray is kpee ekpere. Then the past tense is kpere ekpere. It's important to pronounce it well. The sound there is pi. That double consonant pi. KP is pronounced as pi. Ekpere. Now let's look at the examples in sentences. Je ekpere, go and pray. Je ekpere, go and pray. O ekpere taa. He or she prayed today. O ekpere taa. He or she prayed today. Our number 4 is kill. Kill in Igbo is wo. GB is we, wo. Past tense is wuru. Now an example in sentence is wo agwo ahụ. Kill that snake. Wo agwo ahụ. Nneka gbuo agwọ ahụ. Nneka kill that snake. O gburu agwọ n'efifie. She killed snake in the afternoon. O gburu agwọ n'efifie. She killed snake in the afternoon. Know that efifie is also ehihie. Number 5 is leak. Racha. Past tense is rachara. So in sentence we say racha akage, lick your hand. Racha akage, lick your hand. Or rachara akaya, she licked her hand or she licked his hand. Or rachara akaya. Number 6 is slap. Ma ora. Now the past tense is mara ora. Now in the sentence we say Maya ora, slap her or slap him. Maya ora. Ọ mara ya ụra. she or he slapped him or she. You know, the or could be he or she, while the ha, the ya could be her or him, okay? Or Mariah ora, he slapped him, she slapped him. Or Mariah ora. Number 7 is give. Give. And that is nye. 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 Nye and e. Nye. Nye. Gave because nyere. 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 So in sentence we have it as nye ya akwụkwọ mu, give her my book. Nye ya akwụkwọ mu, give her my book. O nyere ya akwụkwọ mu, she gave her my book. O nyere ya akwụkwọ mu, she gave her my book. Number 8, drink. Ṅụọ. Ṅụọ. Past tense ṅụrụ. Ṅụrụ. So in sentence we say ṅụọ mmiri n'ụtụtụ. Ṅụọ mmiri n'ụtụtụ. Drink water in the morning. Ṅụọ mmiri n'ụtụtụ. Drink water in the morning. Ọ ṅụrụ mmiri n'ụtụtụ. He or she drank water in the morning. Ọ ṅụrụ mmiri n'ụtụtụ. He or she drank water in the morning. Number 9, blow. Fụọ. 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 Past tense fụrụ. 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 Fụọ bolombola. Blow this balloon. Fụọ bolombola. Blow this balloon. Ha fụrụ bolombolo n'ehihie, which also is n'efifie. They blew balloon in the afternoon. Ha fụrụ bolombolo n'ehihie. Number 10, melt. Wazie. 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 Past tense is wazere. 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 Now in sentence we say wazie mmanụ ahụ. Melt that oil. Wazie mmanụ ahụ. Wazie mmanụ ahụ. Melt that oil. Ọ wazere mmanụ. She melted the oil. Ọ wazere mmanụ. Ọ wazere mmanụ. She melted the oil. Number 10, read. Gụọ. 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 Past tense is gụrụ. 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 Now in sentence, gụọ akwụkwọ gị taa. Read your book today. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị taa. Akwụkwọ gị there is your book. Akwụkwọ is book. Akwụkwọ gị, your book, taa, today. Gụọ akwụkwọ gị taa. Ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ ya taa. She read her book today. Ọ gụrụ akwụkwọ ya taa. Number 11, see. Fụ. Fụ or hụ. Hụ. Past tense is fụrụ. Fụrụ or hụrụ. Hụrụ. Fum, see me. Fum, see me. Hum, see me. Hum, see me. Ọ fụrụ nne ya n'ụtụtụ. She saw her mother in the morning. Nne ya is her mother. N'ụtụtụ is in the morning. Ọ fụrụ nne ya n'ụtụtụ. Ọ hụrụ nne ya n'ụtụtụ. Ọ hụrụ nne ya n'ụtụtụ. She saw her mother in the morning. 12, eat. Rie. Rie. Past tense riri. Riri. Rie nri gị n'ụtụtụ. Eat your food in the morning. Rie nri gị n'ụtụtụ. Ọ riri nri ya n'ụtụtụ. She or he ate her food in the morning. Ọ riri nri ya n'ụtụtụ. Ọ riri nri ya n'ụtụtụ. Number 13, come. Bịa. Bịa. Past tense bịara. Bịara. Bịa ebe a, come here. Ebe a is here. Bịa ebe a, come here. Ọ bịara ebe a na mgbede. She came here in the evening. Ọ bịara ebe a na mgbede. She came here in the evening, or he came here in the evening. Let's take this commercial break. We'll be right back. Now, if you have watched this video up to this extent, it shows that you are interested in learning the Igbo language, and that's what exactly I am here to do. So it will be good for you to enroll into our Igbo group adult class, which will be commencing from January 2025. You can make payment now, and in this Igbo group adult class, we'll be starting our teaching right from the basic to you learning how to formulate Igbo sentences, simple Igbo sentences, complex Igbo sentences. You will learn how to ask questions in the Igbo language, answer questions in the Igbo language. We'll be doing Igbo grammar, and we'll also be reading an article in the Igbo language at the end of our class. So if this is something you would love to do, well, check the description for further details. It's very affordable. Now let's continue. Number 13A. Go. Ga. Ga. The past tense is gara. 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 Ga ebe ahụ taa. Go there today. Ga ebe ahụ taa. Go there today. Anyị gara ebe ahụ taa. We went there today. Anyị, we, gara ebe ahụ taa. We went there today. 13B. Go. Go. So there are two popular ways to say go in the Igbo language. Either you say ga or you say je. 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 Past tense. Jere. Jere. Je n'ụtụtụ. Go in the morning. Je n'ụtụtụ. Je n'ụtụtụ. Go in the morning. Ha jere n'ụtụtụ. They went in the morning. Ha jere n'ụtụtụ. They went in the morning. Number 14. Wash. Sa. 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 Past tense. Sara. Sara. Go and wash plate. Je sa efere. Efere is plate. Je sa efere. Ọ sara efere n'efifie. She washed plates in the morning. Or in the afternoon, sorry. Remember, efifie can also be eyiye. So we say efifie. Some people will say eyiye. So that's afternoon. Ọ sara efere n'efifie. Ọ sara efere n'efifie. 15. Look. 15A. Look. Ne. Ne. Can add anya. It's unusual. You can just say ne. Why you can add anya? Ne. Anya. Ne. Anya. Past tense, which is looked. Nere. 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 Anya. Nere. Anya. Ne ya anya. Look at her. Or look at him. Ne ya anya. O nere gi anya. She looked at you. O nere gi anya. 15B. Look. Le. 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 Anya. Le. Anya. Lere. Past tense. Lere. Lere. Anya. Sentence. Le ha anya. Look at them. Le ha anya. Le ha anya. O lere ha anya. She looked at them. O lere ha anya. She looked at them. Now a quick class work before we continue. Can you remember what I said is the past tense of come, which is bia in the Igbo language? Tell me in the comment section. Let me be sure you are still following me. Now let's continue. Shout. Number 16. Tie mkpu. Tie mkpu. Past tense. Tiri mkpu. Tiri mkpu. Now sentence. Nneka tie mkpu. Nneka shout. Nneka tie mkpu. Nneka shout. Nneka tiri mkpu ebe ahụ. Nneka shouted there. Nneka tiri mkpu ebe ahụ. Nneka shouted there. Number 17. Bee akwa. Bee akwa. Past tense is bere akwa. Bere akwa. Gaa bee akwa n'azụ ụlọ. Go and cry at the back of the house. Gaa bee akwa n'azụ ụlọ. Ụlọ is also house. O bere akwa n'azụ ụlọ. She cried at the back of the house. O bere akwa n'azụ ụlọ. Number 18. Chere. 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 Past tense is chere. 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 Chere ebe ahụ. Wait there. Chere ebe ahụ. Wait there. O chere ebe ahụ. She waited there. O chere ebe ahụ. She waited there. If you have watched this video to this extent, it shows you find this video very educative. Now, one way for you to motivate me to make more videos like this is by hitting the like button, dropping a comment in the comment section, sharing this video, and also subscribing to this channel if you haven't done so, because more views, more comments will motivate me to make more videos like this. Now, let us continue. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Number 19. Urinate. Nyụọ mamịrị. Nyụọ mamịrị. The NY is pronounced as nye, 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 nyụọ mamịrị. Past tense is nyụrụ mamịrị. Nyụrụ mamịrị. Nyụọ mamịrị ebe a. Urinate here. Nyụọ mamịrị ebe a. Urinate here. Ọ nyụrụ mamịrị ebe ahụ. She urinated there. Ọ nyụrụ mamịrị ebe ahụ. She urinated there. Number 20. Write. Write. They. Past tense is dere. 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 De ya ebe a. Write it here. De ya ebe a. Write it here. O dere maka mmadụ. She wrote about human being. O dere maka mmadụ. She wrote about human being. Now, this brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please endeavor to hit the like button, comment, subscribe, share this video, and check our description box for the upcoming Igbo class. And also watch this video at my right hand corner. If you love this video, you definitely love this one. See you some other time. Kodi.